What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building again. And the other day, I switched out a whole bunch of stuff on this Draco Nak9, and I noticed that this did not really match up with the cheese grater that I put on. This muzzle device that I put on here did not really match up. So I went to ordering crap again. So check this out. Let me go ahead and open this on up. This is from US Machine Guns out there in Arizona. You know, shout out to them. I get a lot of stuff from US Machine Guns. They do real quality work, and they get stuff to you quickly. They get it to you quickly. So check this out. Check this out. Like I said, I did not like how I had the circles going with the straight lines. I just didn't like how that flowed. So, you know, I know that may sound a little crazy. Yeah, I might be getting a little particular about things, but it is what it is. All right. You know, you just gotta let me have that. So here we go. I like the way that looks with the cheese grater a lot better than the way the circles look. So here, let me go ahead and take this off. And it's not that I don't like this one. I just think that the lines did not flow the way I wanted them to on here. So let's see, let's go ahead and put this one on there. All right, here we go. Now I'm satisfied with the look. I know that I might be getting a little just particular in how things are, but that's just how I am with these guns. With these, I have to have them exactly the way that I want them. I can't just, every time I looked at the gun with this on it, it bothered me. It bothered me every time I saw it with this on there, so I had to take it off. Hit me up, let me know if I should put this back on, or do you agree with me on there? And also, I have not purchased a brace for this weapon yet. I have not purchased a brace for this weapon yet. So if you have any suggestions on what type of brace I should put on here, hit me up, let me know. Hit me up, let me know what brace I should put on here. All right, but this is the vented barrel extension from US Machine Guns. It's the Stone Crusher, and like I said, I felt that looked better than the ones with just little round circles on it. So hit me up in the comments, let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe, that like, and Johnny Snow up out of here.